How to freeze frame on Capcut. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Capcut application, and the next thing would be tapping on new project on your screen. Now you want to go ahead and select the video that you would like to freeze frame. Tap on add when you are done selecting. Now guys, you're simply just going to select a point in the video where you would want to freeze the frame. And now guys, when you find the point, you want to highlight the clip. Now scroll until you see freeze. Now you want to tap on freeze. Now you should notice a split on your clip, and guys, that is how to freeze frame on Capcut. And guys, you would notice that when the clip plays up to the point where it was frozen, you would no longer see any motion on your video. And this is exactly how you can freeze frame on Capcut. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.